I am not mind, nor intellect, nor ego, nor the reflections of inner self. I am not the five senses. I am beyond that. I am not the seven elements of the five sheets. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, the auspicious love and pure consciousness. Neither can I be termed as energy, nor five types of breath, nor the seven material essences, nor the five sheets. Neither am I the organ of speech, nor the organs for holding, movement, or excretion. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, the auspicious love and pure consciousness. I have no hatred or dislike, nor affiliation or liking, nor greed, nor delusion, nor pride or haughtiness, nor feelings of envy or jealousy. I have no duty, nor any money, nor any desire, nor even liberation. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, the auspicious love and pure consciousness. I have neither merit nor demerit. I do not commit sins or good deeds, nor have happiness or sorrow, pain or pleasure. I do not need mantras, holy places, scriptures, rituals, or sacrifices. I am none of the triad of the observer or one who experiences the process of observing or experiencing, or any object being observed or experienced. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, the auspicious love and pure consciousness. I do not have fear of death, as I do not have death. I have no separation from my true self, no doubt about my existence, nor have I discrimination of the basis of birth. I have no father or mother, nor did I have a birth. I am not the relative, nor the friend, nor the guru, nor the disciple. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, the auspicious love and pure consciousness. I am all pervasive. I am without any attributes and without any form. I have neither attachment to the world nor to liberation. I have no wishes for anything, because I am everything, everywhere, every time, always in equilibrium. I am indeed that eternal knowing and bliss, the auspicious love and pure consciousness. Another translation. I am not the mind, the intellect, the ego, or the memory. I am not the ears, the skin, the nose, or the eyes. I am not space, not earth, not fire, water, or wind. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva. I am not the breath, nor the 5 elements. I am not matter, nor the 5 sheets of consciousness. Nor am I the speech, the hands, or the feet. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva. There is no like or dislike in me, no greed or delusion. I know not pride or jealousy. I have no duty, no desire for wealth, lust or liberation. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva. No virtue or vice, no pleasure or pain. I need no mantras, no pilgrimage, no scriptures or rituals. I am not the experienced, nor the experience itself. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva. I have no fear of death, no caste or creed. I have no father, no mother, for I was never born. I am not a relative, nor a friend, nor a teacher, nor a student. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva. I am devoid of duality. My form is formlessness. I exist everywhere, pervading all senses. I am neither attached, neither free, nor captive. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva.